Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Day 8. Back on the road. Salt Lake City to Las Vegas via Zion. Beautiful sunrise this morning.
Gorgeous.
Very
Absolutely
orange clouds.
We admired it from the Costco parking lot.
There's another
There's
Costco.
another Costco.
They're everywhere.
Great Costco gas prices. Oh, I just gave them a plug. And we are heading down to Zion today. And just so people know, in the car, we have rubbing alcohol, we have alcohol pads, we have masks, we have
Handy sanitizer wipes.
handy sanitizer wipes, and just about anything else you could use to stay COVID free. And as you've noticed, most of the places we go, there aren't many people. We've actually been in just a couple places, kept people more than 6 feet apart. I think the 2 restaurants we've eaten in, everyone's masked up, everything's clean, everyone's far away. So we're doing our best that we possibly can
To stay safe in an unsafe world.
It's an unsafe world. You never know when the gravel road. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I know.
Oh, that's from the U2 show. That's the
What?
that's the that's the old U2 stage setup. That's
No.
right. They got it at the aquarium here. You can't see it on video, but
It was good.
It was good. I'll
Cool.
see if I can find a picture of it later, and I'll just overlay it.
And the sky here is very blue.
Very blue, very amazing. We're
It is.
still enthralled. If you haven't watched yesterday's video,
It was an exciting day.
we've watched it multiple times, and we laugh every time.
First time I slept in 10 days.
We got our way too much fresh air and altitude.
Out like a baby.
Like a baby, just like she was sleeping like a light. We've worn her out. We've worn out the walker.
While we edited tirelessly into the night.
Yes, for your enjoyment.
I was in bed by 9.
Yeah, we wore her out. So hopefully everyone's enjoying this. We're heading to Zion. It's a national park, so unfortunately,
No droning.
No droning. No droning. We're not sure what to expect.
We'll see the sights.
We'll see what we see along the way. We probably won't see that woman who may or may not have gotten lost in the woods. We're not sure about her. She's a little dicey.
Don't plug
Things
her.
aren't adding up. But
Yeah.
and we'll have fun along the way. So that's it for now, and we'll catch up to you later. Bye. Find something you'll sing to. I swear to God, we're gonna find something you'll sing to. I'd buy a big house where we both can live. Come on, Q, you gotta sing too. Karen, sing it. I was a sculptor, but better yet, no. Benny and the Jets. Oh, the way you're wonderful. Oh, baby, she's a renegade. She's got electric boots. I know how you don't get it in a magazine. But Benny and the Jets. So when you need me, darling, can you hear me? SOS.
Ready? Wait, so that's behind.
Thanks, COVID.
I was in Tijuana, eating barbecued iguana. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. All right, we are leaving Beaver, Utah.
Utah.
Because we heart beavers.
Yeah, we heart beavers.
We heart beaver. Ooh,
We heart beaver.
helicopter.
Okay. Yeah. We heart beaver in Beaver, Utah. Had to make a potty break, but that was hysterical.
Be very mask free. The
Very mask free.
The locals are not
disturbingly.
into masks.
No, the
right
beavers
now.
don't like to wear masks.
My beaver likes
Beaver rights. They're
I know.
beaver rights. Would be people who live in Beaver.
Beaver right. Okay.
Hey.
Anything. Okay.
There are not enough Yiddish words.
To describe
We
it.
need some
yes.
more Yiddish food.
Oh, I love my Yiddish words.
I do
People
too.
are like, "What is?" I go, "I just like Yiddish. It's
I
fun.
do too.
So much fun. I love this. The tree cell towers.
Yes, the tree cell towers are kind
They
of
do
cool.
make me happy.
All right, see, Terminal 1's down over that way, so we're good.
Okay.
We're good. Okay, so take 2.
Take 2.
Okay, we're gonna try again. So today we were in 3 states in one day.
3 states, 1 day.
We experienced the majesty that is Zion.
Zion, we saw the outer bits of it because we could not go to the inner bits because you have to go on shuttle buses and it's COVID time.
It's a petri dish of people on a bus.
It's the COVID bus.
Yes.
So.
And up fuel's low.
Oh no!
Oh yeah. This happened. I told you it happened. And
Oh, it's not a road trip until the fuel light comes on.
yeah, and now I got to get over this lane so we can get to the terminal.
Don't use a lot of gas doing that.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
We're gonna be on fumes. We're gonna literally
run on
coast. We're gonna coast into said airport.
We just had the
He's right.
conversation about running out of gas today.
And it happened. I told you it happened.
It's not a road trip till you get a flat tire and you run out of gas.
I know.
A little.
But, and we can't even make it right there because those people got in an accident.
Right, so we gotta do it the
my
hard
God.
way.
We're gonna,
you gotta do it
we're
right.
gonna make a hard right here.
Hard
okay.
right, because this part.
And
And
the
I don't
police-
have my seatbelt on and the police.
Hold
are
on,
there.
everybody. Hard right.
Jesus.
Prepare to ram.
Okay. So, all right. We'll explain that later if we do it. All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night,
Bye.
Gracie.
We love you.
Good
Bye.
night, Karen.
Good night, Karen. It's
Bye.
been fun. Bye.